Your dentist looked you in the eye and said 3 words that changed everything. Your gums receded. And then, almost in the same breath, they handed you a softer toothbrush and sent you home. No real explanation, no real solution, just brush more gently. If that has ever happened to you, if you have run your tongue across your teeth and felt that exposed ridge, what I am about to share in the next 10 minutes may be the most important thing you watch all year, because gum recession is not just a cosmetic problem, it is a warning sign. I am going to rank the 7 most powerful natural remedies for receding gums, from least to most effective. Number 1. Reduced gum pocket depth by up to 48% in a clinical study. Not a marketing claim, a published study. After the age of 50, your body loses collagen at nearly 2% per year. Every single year. Collagen is the structural protein that holds your gum tissue tight. Without it, your gums thin out and pull back. Number 7. Mouth taping with xylitol mints. This one surprised almost everyone, and that is exactly the problem. Nose breathing keeps your gums hydrated. Add a xylitol mint to starve the bacteria that cause gum disease. Number 6. Warm salt water. With tea tree oil, salt water is a natural disinfectant that reduces bacteria through osmosis. Number 5. Green tea matcha paste. EGCG in green tea suppresses the enzymes that destroy collagen in your gum tissue. Number 4. Aloe vera with vitamin E oil. This is the most criminally underrated remedy on this entire list. Aloe vera contains esmonin that directly stimulates fibroblast production, the repair cells of your gums. Number 3. Hyaluronic acid gel. Injured gum tissue needs prolonged contact to regenerate. Hours of contact, not seconds. Number 2. Vitamin K2 MK7 form combined with vitamin D3. Your gums follow your bone. Number 1. Collagen peptides plus CoQ10 ubiquinol. This is the most effective protocol supported by clinical research. Together, they increase tissue repair speed by 47 to 55% within 2 weeks. The difference is visible. Commit to collagen peptides and ubiquinol every morning for 30 days. Just 30 days. If this video changed the way you think about your oral health, please subscribe to Dental Miracle. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.